we have already created, because they can't do it for themselves yet, but they're good-hearted, they're kind, they're not thinking on that level. So I'm going to give them a place to go that's outside of the astral world that might catch them to go back, give them a place to go where they can learn who they truly are once they're past the human body prison. That's what the spiritual masters came back to do. That's what I came back to do. You understand what I'm saying? I'm here, and not just me, that's what Bobby came to do, because he has a universe of his own. He has a reality of his own. So all those people who understand and they feel the message is from coming out of their heart, that they resonate, what they really hearing is a new place or a new home that they can go to learn more about them. And once they learn everything from a Bobby Hemmett mind and the Bobby Hemmett universe, they can move on or create their own. You get what I'm saying? So we're making God for real, because you're not a God until you're the master of your own fucking sun, till you become a star and you have shit rotating around you. And all the people there are aspects of your mind on the planets that you create as the sun. So the demiurge, the creator God, is that sun you see outside. In fact, we used to worship the Sirius sun and gave it all the acclimates. When people got dumber, they just changed it to Ra up here. But ISIS and them niggas was trying to poison and kill Ra, his old ass. But since we took all the science of the Sirius sun and made it Ra, but niggas wasn't proud about that. That was the of this place. Most suns or most systems are two. So they were saying this one wasn't right, it wasn't ready yet. So in Gnostic mythology, what do they say? This is a bastard birth. This is a flaw. This is an incomplete birth because one sun. One sun, it's incomplete. So that's why you have problems with polarity, duality. That's why you have to go through all of these golden age, silver age, this age, bronze age, all these down. Like I said, we're coming into the golden age, but humanity is flawed because that means the bronze age is coming again. The iron age is coming again. The silver age. And if you just dying and coming back, you about to feel the white man will be back. It's just your turn. We said it. What goes up must come down. All things that rises fall. So if the white man rose through his fake white supremacy, he must fall too. So while you crying and worry about the white man's gonna fall, oh, he is. That's the nature of this place. Not because you did shit. That's the nature of this place. He's gonna fall. And you're gonna rise, and you're looking for the times this happened, which is the golden age, the coming of the age of Aquarius, which is now. But your greatest thing they're looking for is to take the planet over again. Are you fucking crazy? You are the author of the fucking universe. Nigga, go to your throne or create one. Babies, newborns get caught up in shit like this. Earth. Shit that was a system that was around a long time ago, got dealt with. And the masters who were on that system a long time ago transcended it. How you doing? My name is Panic. I used to be an Egyptian, and I transcended back then. But I recognize the legacy of people and babies that were left behind. So I came back. I came back not guessing, not lucky. I came back telling you exactly what the fuck was what. Bobby didn't just pick me because he had nothing to do. Hundreds of niggas was around Bobby trying to be lecturers. But he started talking about me because he seen something that I didn't even see, because you're too busy trying to be human or think you're trying to figure it out through those means. But what I know about myself now, no. Most of us were Egyptians, but most Egyptians weren't in the mystery system. So y'all niggas was there. That's why y'all get all the acclimates that anybody would get. I'm no more special than nobody. Your stuff is the same stuff that's in me. It's just that I had my stuff a long time before a lot of other folks. But here's the good thing. People like me, not just me, because it's not about me, not at all. I am not that dude. Phil, Sonia Barrett, Red Pill, Blue Pill, Brother Rich, Dr. Smalls, Nano, what's his name?
Oh,
Gano. They're compelled, Dr. Umar, they're compelled, Dr. Fulcrum, to speak because these are the ancient people who truly see babies suffering. So the real deal here, nigga, I came to save the fucking babies. Phil came to save the babies. Bob B.O.B. came to save the babies. Because in his medium, he's speaking conscious shit that them niggas never would be able to, they'll never get to this.
Right.
So he opened up a medium that every nigga in metaphysics was trying to open up, rap music.
Yeah.
These are the old ones that came back to rescue those who are on this fucking hamster. You understand what I'm saying? And we brought back from our universe, I want y'all to hear this, our most trusted advisors, helpers, sages, and so on. Nice to meet you, Jared. Grand sage, because he is the nigga that was conscious first, pretty much in his family, and told B.O.B., look, man, first of all, he made B.O.B., his cousin, his younger cousin, conscious, and then he said, let me put you on to a dude named Panther.